kicking off the ASSIST study, the largest ever population health study in Alzheimer's disease, with Boston University School of Public Health here live with Maria at Move for Minds.
Oh, that's
just went live today.
That's super exciting. That came from your mind.
And inspiration of other incredible scientists like the folks who did the Stanford Apple Heart study, that you can do large studies digitally at scale and deliver solutions back to the healthcare ecosystem using digital tools, which is a new concept. And if in heart disease, why not in Alzheimer's? Because we wanted to take a public health angle with it, looking at things like air pollution and social determinants. We decided to work with the School of Public Health instead of a traditional medical school.
So how do people get involved? What do they do?
To enroll in the ASSIST study, you go to the study website, assiststudy.org. There's a lot of information there about what a medical study is, what will happen, what your participation looks like. You can hit a big join the study button, and it'll take you right into a consent form and a health history. Your first visit, because this is all at home, takes about 45 minutes. And then in about 2 years, we're gonna ping you again to do visit number 2, completely at home, all digital, and that's gonna be about 15 minutes.
Okay, well, awesome.
Thank you.
That's great.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you so much.